Alright, thanks for tuning in to Driven by Gears. As you can see here, I am gearing up to do the 6-inch lift on the Z71. I didn't take y'all through taking the wheels off on the front here because that's just a little bit, everybody knows how to do that by now, hopefully. So we're going to start this process here. I'm not basically going to walk you through it or anything. I'm just going to do it, and then I'll tell you if I run into issues or anything like that for y'all that are installing a 6-inch lift kit. This is an 02 Chevy Silverado Z71. So keep watching. Keys. I went ahead and rented the torsion bar release mechanism from AutoZone. It's a lot safer way to do it. So there's that. So now we'll move on to the front and start taking the A-arms apart. As you can see there, I pretty much took the shock out, moved the ABS sensor with that bearing housing right here, pretty much took the steering tie rod off, took the nuts off of the upper and lower control arm. Gonna take this CV axle loose in the back, and we'll take the whole lower A arm off. So that's basically where we're at now. So. CV axle out, A-arms off, and as I noticed, look how sloppy the ball joints are, upper and the lower. So whenever you're doing stuff like this, check these components like this and see if they're worn out. These are probably the originals, but maybe not since it has a grease fitting. So I will probably order some of those and change those out. So that means I'd have to take a lot of this back apart again, but at least it'll be easier. And I have a press over there now, so I can just push them ball joints out instead of just buying the whole arms like I normally would. So we'll press on to the other side and take everything off the same way. Alright, so we got both sides apart, as you can see here. Now the next step is pretty much underneath on the driver's side differential mount. We're going to take a bolt loose and then we're going to cut part of the mount off so we can drop the diff. So that's what will be next. got that damn thing out. Boy, that was a pain in the neck, let me tell you. It was a lot harder than the way they show in the videos. Just cutting this bracket off right here alone was what was the pain. You have to cut that off because this sits like in here, and it won't even let the thing come down without you cutting that off. So that was basically what was taking so long, was just getting the right angle to be able to cut that off. So I'll have to hang it up for today because we're running out of daylight. We'll finish what I can tomorrow whenever I get off. So I will take some snapshots here and hopefully try to tie this together real well. It's not really a tutorial on how to do it or anything, but it's definitely a lot harder to cut that bracket than what they say. So but yeah, there you go. We got pretty much damn near the front end all apart. And we got to cut this bracket completely off the transfer case here and add a whole nother bracket. So once you do this modification, it's permanent. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully y'all had a wonderful weekend, and we're rolling out the end of it today. This is Sunday. This may not upload though till Monday. So anyway, hope y'all are having a good Monday, and as always, keep it simple, keep it sweet.